Hello, a very good evening to all my lovely boys and girls. I hope all of you are doing good and you're all excited for today's class. So people, today what are we gonna do? We are gonna look at some of the best questions which has come up in your previous year's exams, and we are gonna try and solve them so that in that way we will be ready for this year's exam. How many of you are excited? Let me know in the chat. Give me a yo, give me a thumbs up and a fire, and then with that energy, we will get started. Okay? Hi, Uma Maheshwari, welcome. IIT and Rohit, Bangton girl, great BTS fan over here. Mokshadna, welcome. Roshant is also here. Nice to see you, Roshant. Bharani, nice to see you, man. Long time. Where have you been? Great. Nice to see you, Barney. Hema Priya, welcome. IIT and Rohit, welcome Rohit. Glad to have you here. So guys, like I posted in the group, this session is gonna be intense. Why? Because I have lot of good questions for you guys. Lots of good richness in today's session. You are going to learn a great deal. I'm telling you upfront. Okay, so this might be a slightly big session, 1.5 hours, but it's gonna be worth every minute. So shall we get started? So this session is gonna be a mock test, mega mock test, because I'm gonna take more questions. Usually I do only 5 to 10 questions because that's a limitation of my voice. But today I'm going to push myself. Why? Because the exam is very nearby and I want you guys to do well. Okay? So I want you also to push yourself and stay till the end of this session. Got it? Are you all ready? So people, you are going to hear from Shimon Sir. Who is Shimon Sir? My name is Shimon Joseph and I am a graduate of IIT Madras. Many of you want to get into the IITs. So I'm going to help you with that, making that process a bit easier and smoother. Got it? So shall we begin? Perfecto. So let's get started, people. This is the channel you're currently watching, Vedantu Enlite. In this channel, we will train you for NEET as well as JEE in English. For all the students who want to learn in English, wherever you might be from India, abroad, wherever you are, if you want to learn something in English, some good problem solving, then this might be the channel for you. Okay? So if you are enjoying our content, make sure you subscribe to the channel, share it to your friends, your juniors, your seniors, your relatives, your cousins. That would be a great help for us. Okay? Because that is our goal. Because this channel was started by Vedantu, and Vedantu's goal is to reach every nook and corner wherever students have the thirst, the hunger to learn and get better. Okay? So you guys are going to be a part of this revolution. I hope you will do your bit. Now people, have you all smashed that like button? Have you all smashed that like button? Everybody done? So shall we get started? Very good. So with that, people, let's begin our session, and I'm going to show you some very good questions in today's class. So Rohit is from Andhra Pradesh. Nice to see you. Mukund also is from AP. Nice to see you, man. Great. So guys, everybody try to have a look at it. Okay. Everybody try to have a look at it and try to solve it. All the questions are going to be good level and they're all from JEE Main's previous years. Okay. So I will help you. I will teach you. And I will give you the confidence to tackle these questions. It is not difficult, okay? So the main fear in your head, I want to break that and destroy it. You guys have to become more confident and take it on with a positive attitude, okay? Tejwardhan, nice to see you. A lot of people from AP. Ravi Teja, happy to have all of you guys from wherever you are. We love you. And we are so glad that you could make it live to the session. And all those who are watching the replay, you can maybe pause, have a look at this question, and then look at the solution. Okay? If you're looking at the replay. Cool. So people, are you all ready? Shall I solve it? So I have to sum up the 9 terms. So what I'm going to teach you now is systematic problem solving. So when you are given a question, if it is easy, don't jump into it. Okay? Rather, be systematic, be very organized. Because in an exam which is online, you are going to be provided additional sheets and you may have to maintain less space, neat handwriting so that you don't confuse yourself. Okay? So let me show how to solve this question. Please listen everybody. So first 9 terms. So first term is x plus ka. Second term is what? X square plus k plus 2a. So likewise, the 9th term will be what? 9th term will be x power 9 plus, what will that be? Any idea? K plus. First term was ka. Second term was k plus 2a. Third term was k plus 4a. Fourth term was k plus 6a. So the 9th term will be k plus 16 times of a. Are you all happy with that? Everybody, did you all like it? Sir, how sir? How did you get that, sir? Because this is k plus 0, k plus 2, k plus 4, k plus 6. So the 9th term will be k plus 16 based on that order. I hope you're able to understand that. Guys, the pattern you should be able to observe it. The pattern you should be able to observe it. Because this is an AP, k, k plus 2, k plus 4, k plus 6, that's an AP. So if that is an AP, then the 9th term will be a plus n minus 1 times d. So k plus n minus 1 is 9 minus 1, 8 times d. D is what? Common difference is 2. K, k plus 2, common difference is 2, right? So if I do that, I will get the last term. That is how you predict it. Very important. Are you guys happy with that? Very simple, na? So this is how you represent the first line. Now let's try to sum it up. So now the way I sum it up is, I will collect all the GP terms. So these terms are in GP. X, x square, x cube, x power 4, x power 5 till x power 9. So that is in GP. So x plus x square plus x cube all the way up to x power 9. That is one summation. Then all the AP terms. What is that? Ka, k plus 2a, k plus 4a, k plus 6a till k plus 16a. So let me take a common. I'll have k plus 2 plus k plus 4 all the way, my dear children, till k plus 16. Did you all love it? Are you all happy with it? Everybody cool? Fantastic. Is it greatest integer function? No, Roshant. First of all, it is not given in the question. And secondly, that symbol is not greatest integer function. That symbol is fractional part, Roshan. Even that you said wrong. Please be careful, okay? And moreover, Roshan, if they mean that, they will give you that in the question. They will give you that in the question, okay? Be very clear. Got it? Perfect. So now what is the summation of this? This is going to be a into r to the power n minus 1 by r minus 1. Correct? Very good. Then you'll have plus a times of 9 terms are there. So it is going to be 9 by 2 into first term plus last term. So that's going to be 2k plus 16. So that is going to be equal to our summation here. So our summation here is what? Let me split it like this. Let me split it like this. So that will be what? X power 10 minus x by x minus 1. Then you'll have plus 45a. So now compare x power 10 minus x by x minus 1. So this part and this part is the same. This part and this part is the same. So 45a is coming from here. So 45a is coming from this part. So now compare and get the answer. The answer will be option C. The answer will be option C. Did you all like it? Was it a legendary question? Was it a legendary question? Very simple, elegant, and you guys have nailed it. And this was a JEE Main question. Can you believe it? So it is not outside your reach. It is within your reach, but you guys have to learn the systematic approach. Okay? Very good. I hope all of you have understood it. Last step, guys, you can compare and finish it off. For those who are still wondering how the answer came, let me show you. So this is what 2 can cancel. So you'll have 9a into k plus 2, k plus 8 is equal to 45a. So a cancel, 9 and 45 will go 5 times. So k plus 8 is equal to 5. So k is equal to minus 3. That's the way you do it. Okay. I hope all of you enjoyed it. Fantastic, guys. Now let's pick up speed. Okay. Because at this rate, if we go, then we will finish day after tomorrow. Okay. So let's pick up some speed, and the solution I usually attach in the PDF. So you can download it after the class is over. Got it? By joining our Telegram group. By joining our Telegram group, you guys can access all the PDF whichever I'm using in the sessions over here. Got it? So people, please try this question out. This is again a question which was asked in one of the previous years, exactly 2019. Okay, so let's see how to solve this question. Again, a chapter which most students are scared of. What is that? Your complex numbers. But you know what? Again, if you are systematic, organized, and keeping it simple, you will reach the answer in a very elegant manner. Okay, so please try it out. Let me see how many of you are able to crack it. Come on people, all of you go for it. I'll give you 1 minute to try, and then I will do it so that you guys can have a look at. Okay, come on people, every single buddy, every single person should try and crack it. Bharani, I know man, but it's not that difficult. Try it out. Okay, very good Joshita. Yes. I hope all of you are trying it out. And guys, if you have friends who are preparing for JEE Mains, if they are serious about it, please do let them know that we have started our revision in Enlite channel for all the English speaking audience. So if you are from Andhra, if you are from Kerala, if you are from Karnataka, if you are from Tamil Nadu, if you are from north, east, west, wherever you are from, if you want to learn in English for JEE Mains, then do come and attend these sessions and let your friends know as well. Got it? Very good Shiva, very good Rohit, Rakesh. So many people are saying it's option D. So let me get started. So first of all guys, let us say we have a complex number z. Z is equal to x plus iy. Correct na? This is how we write our complex number. Got it? But people, what is given here? The imaginary part of z is 10. Correct na? The imaginary part of z is 10. So that means, what is the imaginary part here? The imaginary part is y. So y is nothing but 10. So our z will look like this. How many of you got this? This is the first step. This is the first step. You should write your z like this. Are you all comfortable? Are you all confident with this? Very good. Latish, welcome Latish. Nice to have you here. Very good. Joshita, fantastic. So now I got my z as some real part plus iota into imaginary part is 10 because that's given in the question. Now let's plug that inside. So 2 into z, which will be x plus iota into 10 minus n divided by 2 into z, x plus iota into 10 plus n is equal to 2i minus 1. Correct na? Where n is some natural number. N is a natural number. Got it people? Now let's try to simplify it. So if I simplify it, what will I get? Everybody watch this carefully, okay? So if I simplify it, I will have something very beautiful. It will be what? 2x minus n plus iota into 10. You will have 2x plus n plus iota into 10. Is that right? Now cross multiply. This is what I call as systematic solving. I am not doing anything fancy. I am not sending rocket to moon. It is very simple. Okay. So now let's take it to the other side. It will be what? It will be 2x plus n plus iota times 10. Okay. So now denominator I have taken it to the other side. So now let's open it. So left hand side I have 2x minus n as the real part plus iota times 10 as the imaginary part. Now here, what will I have? I'll have iota into 4x plus 2n. Okay, 4x plus 2n into iota. Then 2 into 10 is 20. Iota into iota is minus 1 because iota square is minus 1. So that will become minus 20. Then you'll have what? Minus 2x minus n. Then what will you have? Then you'll have minus 10 iota. So now combine everything. What will you have? You will have minus 20 minus 2x minus n. Then you'll have plus iota times 4x minus 2n. 4x plus 2n minus 10. Now you compare the real part on both sides and compare the imaginary part on both sides. You will get two equations, two unknowns. Solve it, get the answer. Okay, solve it and get the answer. Are you all clear? Everybody cool with it? Any doubts? Won't it become 20i? Hariharan, you have 2i into 10i. So 2i into 10i is 20i square. So 20i square is minus 20. Okay. Okay. I'm sorry. Here it's 20i. It's saying. Okay. I'm sorry, guys. Yes. I made a mistake here. So 2z is what? 2z is, yes, Hariharan, you are right one. 2z will be 2x plus 20i minus n by 2x plus 20i plus n. Okay, my bad. Yes, guys. Because you have 2 into z now. What is our z? Z is equal to x plus 10i. So 2z will become 2x plus 20i. I didn't do that 20, I wrote it as 10. That's my mistake. So now let's again do it quickly. So now cross multiply. So if I cross multiply, what will I get? I will get 2x plus n plus 20i. Now can you guys get the two equations? Comparing the real part and the imaginary part. So real part on the left hand side is 2x minus n and the imaginary part is 20. On the right hand side, what will you get? On the right hand side, what will you get? Any idea? You will get minus 2x minus n and then you'll have minus 40. Then you'll have plus iota times 4x plus 2n. Then you'll have minus 20. So now compare the real parts. Compare the real parts on both sides and then compare the imaginary part on both sides. So you will get two equations and two unknowns. Solve it and get the answer. Are you all clear? Did you all like it? So now what am I going to do? I'm going to compare the real part on both sides. So 2x minus n and this should be equal. So what will happen? I will get 4x is equal to, what will be the value? Any idea? Guys, can you all please help me out over here? 4x is equal to what? You will get minus 40. So you will get x is equal to minus 10. So real part is minus 10. That's the answer. So it has to be either A or C. It has to be either A or C. Now I have to get n. So for n, let's compare the imaginary part. Imaginary part is 20 here on the left hand side. On the right hand side, imaginary part is 4x plus 2n minus 20. Okay. Now what is x? X is minus 10. So if I put that, I'll get 20 is equal to minus 40 plus 2n minus 20. So now from here you can get the answer. N will be equal to 40. So answer is option C. N will be equal to 40. So your answer is option C. So those who said D, that is not right. Answer is option C. Are you all clear with it? Did you all like it? Did you all like it? It was an easy question, guys. If we didn't make that calculation mistake, we would have finished it long back. Okay. Mokshadna, very good. Is this a JEE question? Of course, yes, guys. It was asked in 2019. I hope all of you are clear with it. So shall I move forward? Great. Akshaya, not minus 40. It is plus 40. N is plus 40. X is only minus 10. Okay. Very good, Akshaya. Superb. Very easy, right, Barney? Perfect, perfect. Latish, JEE Mains is just 1 week away, man. Like I said, we will start. Just give it some time, we will start. Shiva, very good. So what about others? Are you all happy? Shall I move forward? Great, great, great. So let us go forward and go to the next question, which is right on your screen over here. So now everybody try to solve it and let me know if you guys are able to reach the answer. This is a good question, okay? So now people are asking, sir, give some good quality questions, sir. We want to try and we want to improve our level. So guys, this is a good quality question. Let's see if you can crack it and then I'll help you. So I'll give you 2 minutes, try it out, think about it, and then we will go for it. Okay? Sir, admit card news, I will let you know because as of now, I don't think there is a big update. But if there is any news or any information, I will definitely let you guys know. Don't worry. Great, great, great. Latish, if you are a Vedantu subscription student, that is more than enough, man. Please use that wisely. Okay? Use one thing with full faith and with full effort. You will do well. That's the simple logic. Will JEE postpone? Tamilanda, why? I don't think so. This is what students are asking about CBSE exam. Will CBSE exam postpone? Of course not, man. Why will it postpone? Hi, Siv Krish. Welcome. Virat, do you know Telugu? I know a little bit, man. Not much. Mokshadna says option D. Bharani says option D. Very good. That's great, guys. I'm surprised that you all solved very fast. It's a good question, actually. Oh, Bharani solved it today morning. Fantastic. Afrar, great. Rohit, Alexander, welcome, welcome, Alexander. So people, let's try to solve it. It's a fantastic question. Okay, so listen carefully. I will tell you the approach to solve this. Okay, I will tell you the approach to solve this question. Listen carefully. Okay, so first of all, guys, what is the common root for both the quadratic equations? Can you please let me know? What is the common root for both the quadratic equations? Can you all please let me know in the chat? Everybody. Fahad, welcome Fahad. Nice to see you, man. Very good, Roshan. So alpha is the common root for both the quadratic equations. So can I say alpha will satisfy both the quadratics? So can I substitute inside? So I'll get alpha square minus alpha plus 2 lambda is equal to 0. And in the second one, I'll get 3 alpha square minus 10 alpha plus 27 lambda is equal to 0. Okay. Now, I want to find alpha. So what I do is, I will get rid of the alpha square term. So I'm going to multiply the first equation by 3 and then subtract it. I'm going to multiply the first equation by 3 and subtract the second equation from that. So 3 alpha square minus 3 alpha square, 0. Minus 3 alpha minus of minus 10 alpha, that will be plus 7 alpha. Then you'll have 6 lambda minus of 27 lambda. So that will be minus 21 lambda equal to 0. So I'll get alpha is equal to 3 lambda. Till here, did you all love it? Sir, awesome, sir. This is the method generally people use for solving common root questions. Okay, common root, you might remember a condition. Okay, that is also one way to do it, but I would prefer you to solve by this method if the quadratic equation is given to you. Okay, are you all happy with it? Did you all love it? So now people, substitute this back into one of the equations and get the value of lambda. Look at how we are progressing in a very sequential, brilliant manner. I'm sure you are all able to see that and appreciate it. Wonderful, na? So now, what am I going to do? I'm going to substitute alpha equal to 3 lambda back into the equation. So 3 lambda whole square, alpha square, minus alpha, which is 3 lambda, plus 2 lambda equal to under. So I'll get 9 lambda square, correct, na? 9 lambda square minus lambda equal to 0. So I'll get lambda is equal to 1 by 9. So alpha is equal to 1 by 3. So I got lambda, I got alpha. Can I get the other roots also? Can I get beta? Can I get gamma? It is a piece of cake. Why? Because sum of the roots in the first equation, alpha plus beta, sum of the roots is equal to minus b by a. So minus b by a is equal to 1. So what is beta? Beta is equal to 1 minus alpha, which will be 2 by 3. And what is sum of the roots in the second equation? Alpha plus gamma is equal to minus b by a, which will be 10 by 3. So gamma is equal to what? 10 by 3 minus alpha, which will be 3. So gamma is 3, beta is 2 by 3, and alpha is 1 by 3. So now you can figure out the answer. Everybody, please let me know. Let me know, how do we solve this? What is the answer? Everybody cool? Was it awesome? Did you guys love it? Interesting question, right? Very good. So the answer is option B. That is what people are saying. So guys, everybody getting B. Superb, superb. So beta is 2 by 3, gamma is 3. You can put it there and get the answer. So the answer is option B in 18. Okay. Answer is option D, 18. D. Sivakumar, it is not B option, man. It's D option. Okay. 18 is correct, but option is D. Okay. Great. Very good, Tamilan. Very good, Ravi Teja, Roshant, Chinnu. Brilliant. So now people, let's go forward to the next question. This is again a legendary question from permutation and combination. Everybody try it out, then we will move forward. Okay. Very good, Mokshagna, Akshaya, superb Akshaya, Tamilan, Sivakumar, very good Sivakumar, Gomadi, brilliant Gomadi, you are right. Vijaya, welcome Vijaya, nice to see you here. Great. Your expected matrices session today is at 6 o'clock, so we will see you there. Great. So for Vedantu, when syllabus is completed? Latish, Vedantu for 2023, the syllabus will be completed by October, November this year, and then you will have revision for next year's entrance test. Great. Harsh, these are all very good questions, man. Because last 5 years papers, they are of very good quality, and if you practice that, you will be in a good position, Harsh. Okay. New questions, there is no end to it. Okay. First, let's solve previous year's questions, gain some confidence, and then we'll move forward. Got it? Don't worry, Harsh. I will conduct sessions on complete formula revision, short questions. So that time I'll bring new questions. Don't worry. Okay? Very good. Very good. So people, are you all ready? Sir, please connect a session about areas. Sivakumar, yes, we will do it. We'll do some problem solving on areas also. Today also I have a question based on areas, so don't worry. So answer is option C. Very good. Mahindra, LOL, Mokshagna, Roshant, you guys are all absolutely right. It is indeed option C. So guys, I'll tell you how to solve this question. Listen carefully and try to grasp the concept behind it, okay? Because PNC is a topic where students are very afraid. They don't know the concepts well, so they are very scared to tackle questions, okay? So let's have a look at it and then we will move forward. Got it? Okay. Vijaya, no problem. Take care. It's fine. You can watch the replay, so take care of your health. Cool. No problem. So people, listen carefully. What do we have? Out of 31 objects, we have 10 identical objects. And then we have 21 distinct objects. Okay. Now, we have to select 10. How can I select 10? I want to select 10 objects out of the 31. So I can select 0 and 10 from here, 1 and 9 from here, and I can select all the 10 from here and 0 from here. Is that right? These are the various possibilities. Are you guys able to understand that? Yes. So you have 10 identical and 21 distinct. So from the identical, I can take 0 and all the 10 objects I can select from the distinct. Because my job is to select 10 objects from the 31 objects. 10 from the 31, and in that 31, we have 10 identical and 21 distinct. So these are the various possibilities. Are you guys able to understand that? I have to choose overall 10. I can select 0 from the identical group, all the 10 from the distinct group. I can select 1 from the identical group, remaining 9 from the distinct group. I can select 2. I can select 2 from the identical group, and I can select 8 from the distinct group. Did you all understand that? I hope all of you are able to follow. Great. So now selecting something from identical group is only one way. So let's say you have 5 identical eggs. The number of ways of selecting one egg will be only 1. The number of ways of selecting 2 eggs from 5 identical eggs will be only 1. So the number of ways of selecting something from identical group is just 1. So this will be 1 into, from 21 distinct I have to select 10. So 21C10. This will be, again I have to select 1. So that will be only one way. 21C9. This will be so on till last one will be what? Selecting 10 from identical group of 10. So 10 from group of 10 is going to be only one way, because identical has only one way of selecting things, and it will be 21C0. Why 21C0? Because 0 distinct objects. So out of 21 I select 0 distinct objects. So this is the total cases which you have to add, okay, because these are the total number of cases. Totally you have 11 cases. Now you have to add all of them. So your final answer is going to be what? Your final answer is going to be 21C10 plus 21C9 all the way up to 21C0. So this is going to be the first half binomial coefficients of 1 plus x to the power 21. So the binomial coefficients of this expansion, the first 11 binomial coefficients is given by this summation. So it is basically 2 power 22 divided by 2. So it will be how much? 2 power 21 divided by 2, I'm sorry. Because guys, what is 1 plus x to the power 21? 1 plus x to the power 21 is nothing but 21C0 plus 21C1x plus 21C2 x square all the way up to 21C21 x to the power 21. Now put x as 1. If I put x as 1, I'll get 2 to the power 21 is equal to 21C0 plus 21C1 plus 21C2 till 21C10 plus 21C11 plus 21C12 all the way up to 21C21. So now if you see carefully, the first half coefficients and the second half coefficients both are equal in sum. This and this are equal. Okay. So each of them will be half of this value. Half of this value is option C. Did you all like it? Are you all clear? Exactly. Why, sir? Because we all know that NCR is equal to NCN minus R. So because of that, 21CR is equal to 21 minus R. So because of this reason, these two summations will be equal. So this summation and this summation will be equal, and both of them will be equal to half of this. So half of this is 2 power 20. Did you all like it? So shall I move forward? Very good, Sivakumar. Very good, Akshaya, Roshan, Bharani. Fantastic, guys. So shall I move forward to the next question? Yep. Are you all happy? Very good. Yes, Tamilanda, I will do most of the chapters for second attempt. For first attempt, I will do only the high weightage chapters because first attempt we don't have time, right? We have only 7 days left. So we have to be fast. Got it? Very good. So people, let's go to the next question, which is right on your screen now. Please try to solve it. These are all typical JEE Mains questions. Okay, these are all typical JEE Mains questions. Everybody should try it out. Come on, people. I want maximum participation. Okay, I'll give you 1 minute to try it out. Then we will discuss it. Everybody, please go for it. Quickly, quickly, quickly. And people, make sure you all let your friends know that we have started the mock test. Okay, I want people to be live in the sessions so that we can learn some good quality content. Exactly, Kamala Varshini. Only 68. What is this, guys? Come on. Such a good mock test wherein you can practice, you can discuss with me. And we have only 60-70 people live. Okay, next class I expect more people to come. Try to do that. Superb, superb. So people, let's try to finish it off. Okay, Barani says option B. Okay, we will check it, Barani. I think you are right. Mokshagna, very good, Mokshagna. You are absolutely awesome. Gomadi, Mahindra, very good, Mahindra. You are also right. Great job. Very good, very good. Satvik, it is a good university, but yeah, you can definitely try JEE Mains and then you can try counseling. So there are lots of options, Satvik, but it is a good university. You can study there. Okay. So yeah, let's try to solve it. People, listen carefully. How do we do this question? So whenever a question like this is asked, always find the general term. Okay. What is the general term? The general term is nothing but NCR, the first term 3x square by 2 whole to the power n minus r into minus 1 by 3x whole to the power r. This is how you write the general term of a binomial expansion. This is very important, guys. You have to be really good at this. Okay, you have to be really good at this. Are you all clear? So shall I move forward? All happy? Fantastic, guys. Superb, superb, superb. Siddharth, I don't think so, Siddharth. If you want NIT Trichy or Surathkal, you need to get 99 percentile, at least 200 marks. Okay. So nowadays it's become very competitive. So you need to be at the top to get good branches. Okay. Great. So now people, let's finish it off. So now collect the terms. So I'll get 9CR. I'll get 3 by 2 to the power 9 minus r minus 1 by 3 to the power r. So collect all the constants separately. Now I'll take the variable x to the power 2 into 9 minus r. X to the power 2 into 9 minus r. So it will be 18 minus 2r. Here I have x to the power minus r. X to the power minus r. So now this should be independent of x. That means x to the power 18 minus 3r should be x to the power 0. Why x to the power 0? Because we want term independent of x. So what will be 18 minus 3r? 18 minus 3r should be under. So that means r should be 6. So that means it is a seventh term which is independent of x. Just because r is 6, don't jump and tell, sir, sixth term only is the independent term, sir. You will get 0 if you say that. If r is 6, then the seventh term is what is independent of x. Please don't forget that. Very important. Please don't forget that. Very, very important. This is a good concept which I am covering here. Okay. Now plug it back and get the answer. So you know r is equal to 6. So plug r6 inside. So you'll get 9c6 into 3 by 2 power 3. So that'll be 27 by 8 into, you'll have minus 1 by 3 power 6. So that'll be 1 by 3 power 6. 1 by 3 power 6 will be what? 729, I guess. Okay. So 27 times it will go. So you'll have 9c6 by 8 into 27. What is 9c6? Anybody? 9c6 is 84 if I'm not wrong. It is 84 if I'm not wrong. I'm not too sure. But yeah, I think it is. So if I do it by 3 tables, it will be 9s, and this will be how much? This will be 2 and 8. And 4 tables, I'll go 7 times and I'll go 2 times. So k is equal to 7 by 18. Okay, so this is equal to k. This term is equal to k. So I will get k is equal to 7 by 18. So 18k is equal to 7. So that's my answer. Beautiful. Did you all like it? Very good, Bhargavi. Very good, Yash. Laddu Singh. Welcome, Laddu Singh. Question number, Stacy. I think I'm in the 4th or 5th question maybe. So please try to follow from here. We have a lot of questions to solve. So don't worry. You can continue from here. I'm glad you guys have come and you have all understood whatever I've covered so far. Great job, guys. Vasu, welcome, Vasu. Great. Assist, I'm not very sure, man. I am not very sure about the exam. I am very clear about JEE Mains, JEE Advanced, maybe VIT, BitSat, but MET I'm not sure, so I cannot comment on it, okay? So you can check previous year's data. If 156 can get you computer science, that means it's a very good score, because computer science is a very good branch and usually that's what everybody wants, okay? So that is how you can check it. Got it? Perfect. So people, everybody cool with this? Shall I move forward? Thank you, Kavya. I am glad you're all able to follow. So with that, people, let's go to the next question, shall we? Very good, students. Awesome. So here we go. The next question for all of you is right on your screen. Again, wonderful concept I'm going to teach. Okay. Wonderful concept I'm going to teach through this question. So please try it out. Okay. And people, the solution, I will give it in my PDF. Okay. So try to join our Telegram group. All those who are watching this video, make sure you join the Telegram group, which is completely free of cost. You will get the PDF with the solutions, which you can go through later on your own. Okay. Now try this question. This is a very good question. This question was asked in MET, is it? Very good. Assist. Did you get this question? I am assisting you now by giving you most expected questions for your JEE Mains. Very good. AMGM. No, Rajesh. It is not AMGM. Very good, very good. Superb. Bharani also got the same question. Awesome, Bharani. Beast OP says C. Yash says D. Guys, the answer is option D. So Yash is right. Stacy Vijaya. Very good, Stacy. You are right, because root 19 is the answer. Mahindra. Very good. You are correct. Kamala Varshini, very good. Judah, Vignesh, very good, Vignesh. Chinnu, Sivakumar, you guys are all absolutely correct. Fantastic work, people. So let me show you how it is done. It is not too fancy a question. It is doable, okay? It's not that difficult. So let me show you. So first open it. You have 3 cos theta plus, what is sine of A minus B? Sine of A minus B is sine A cos B. Then you'll have minus cos A sin B. Is that right, people? Everybody? So now let's open it. So I'll have 3 cos theta plus 5 root 3 by 2 sin theta minus 5 by 2 cos theta. Now combine these two. So 3 minus 5 by 2 is how much? 3 minus 5 by 2 is 1 by 2. So I have 1 by 2 cos theta plus 5 root 3 by 2 sin theta. So I have to find the minimum and maximum value of this. Okay. So they want the maximum value. So guys, now I'm going to teach you something important. Listen carefully. Very good, Yash. Very good. So many students are not aware of this. So if you are somebody who is learning this for the very first time here, then you are lucky. You are lucky, because this is so important. So guys, I'm going to give you an inequality which is very important in JEE Mains. If you have A cos theta plus B sin theta, if you have an expression like this, A cos theta plus B sin theta, the maximum value of this is root of A square plus B square. And the minimum value of this is minus root of A square plus B square. Wonderful, na? That's a technique. That's a shortcut. You can remember this inequality. Okay. So this maximum value will be what? Root of a square. What is a? Half square. Plus b square is what? B square is 5 root 3 by 2 square. So it will be 5 root 3 by 2 square. So get the answer. It will be root 19. That's why option D is correct. That, my dear boys and girls, is how you solve it. Did you all like it? You saw this in the crash course. Exactly, Roshan. We cover all these good stuff in the crash course. So yeah, if you have went through the PDF, you might have got to know this. Okay, good, good, good. I'm glad you remember it. That's how they help. That's how the crash course helps. Fantastic. So shall we move forward? Yup. Superb, superb, guys. So with that said, people, let's jump to the next question. Right on your screen now. Something which many of you are not aware of. What is that? Your solution of triangles. Sir, this chapter nobody asks questions, sir. It is not that important. But yeah, basics of this you should know. So this question is based on just your sine rule. I hope all of you learned sine rule, right? What is sine rule? For those who don't know, sine rule is for a triangle, okay? So it says sine of angle A by side A is equal to sine of angle B by side B is equal to sine of C by side C, which is equal to 1 by 2R. So this is your sine rule, okay, my dear boys and girls? Yeah? So maybe you can use this and solve this question. Because using this question will be very simple. It will not be tough, okay? Everybody try it out. I will give you 2 minutes to solve it. Sir, there is also cosine rule. Of course, assist. We have something called as cosine rule as well for a triangle. But yeah, this question you don't have to use cosine rule. You just need sine rule. Okay. So use this sine rule. Get the answer. Let me see how many of you can crack it. Indra Sena Reddy. Very good. Let's check it. Mokshagna. Yes, we will check it, Mokshagna. Let's see who is right. I will solve it and I'll show it to you in a short while. Manisha Rani. Welcome, Manisha. Nice to have you here. Roshan says C. Judah says C. Indrasena says C. Akshaya says C. Vishesh. Welcome, 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 Vishesh. Nice to have you here, man. Welcome. Akash. That's the previous question, Akash. I want you to solve this one. How is 180 in mock test for JEE Mains? Yash, very good, Yash. Keep it up. Work on your mistakes. Especially if your mistakes are in chemistry, then you can easily improve, Yash. I would really want you to score above 200. Because if you score above 200, Yash, you can get whatever you want. NIT Trichy Computer Science, NIT Surathkal Computer Science, NIT Warangal Computer Science. You can get, you name it, you will get it. So try to push your score to 200 by focusing on chemistry and your weak areas. Okay? Great. So people, let's try to solve it. Let's try to solve it. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Not NIT, sir, for IIT. Shyam. For NIT, 200 is a great score. You will get anything you want. 200, 220 means you will get whatever you want. But 180 is on the border. 180 you may not get computer science. You may not get electrical and so on. So that is why I suggested that, Yash. Okay? Perfect. So let's try to solve it, people. Everybody listen carefully. Now, people, I'm going to solve something very interesting. Listen carefully, okay? See, if the angles of a triangle are in AP, always the middle angle will be 60 degree. Did you all know that? If the angles of the triangle are in AP, then pakka the middle angle will be 60 degree. Okay? Are you all clear? Did you all like it? Everybody? Superb, guys, superb. So, how do we get that, sir? See, the angles are A, B and C, na? Let's take them as, let's say, A minus D, A and A plus D. Let's say the angles are like this. Okay, or if you want, you can take the angles as B, B plus D and B minus D. So can I take the angles like this because they are all in AP? Because they are all in AP. So now sum of the angles in a triangle is equal to 180. So I will get minus D plus D cancel. So I'll get 3B is equal to 180. So I'll get B is equal to 60 degree. So the middle angle is always 60 degree when they are in AP. Don't forget that. I've given you a proof of it also. Okay, nobody will teach this slow. I'm teaching you so that you guys will follow it. Clear? Now, what do we have? We know sine rule is sine A by A is equal to sine B by B. So I'll have sine A is equal to A by B sine B. What is A by B? A by B is 1 by root 3. A by B is 1 by root 3. Sine B is what? Sine B is root 3 by 2. Why root 3 by 2? Because B is 60 degree. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2. So root 3 cancel. I'll get 1 by 2 is sine A. So if sine A is 1 by 2, A is equal to pi by 6 or 30 degree. So A is 30 degree, B is 60 degree. So C should be 90 degree. So these are my angles. I got it. I got it. Did you all like it? Did you all like it? Are you all happy with it, my dear boys and girls? Everybody cool with this? Superb, superb, superb. So now people, let's now come back to our sine rule. Okay. So we know that sine A by A is equal to sine B by B is equal to sine C by C. C is what? C is 4. Now can you get A and B? Can you get A and B? Everything we have. Now what are they asking? They are asking area of triangle. What is area of triangle formula? You can use half AB sine C or half BC sine A or half AC sine B. So any formula you want you can use. We have all the information. Use it, get the answer, done, get 4 marks. Are you all happy? Did you all like it? So Bhuvana Shankar, that 1 by 2R, that R is nothing but circumradius. That R is nothing but circumradius. Got it? Very good, very good. So Siddhant, this mock test is actually moderate, or I would say slightly easy. Okay. So this is a slightly easy or moderate mock test. I will show you what is tough. Okay. In the upcoming classes, I will show you what are the tough questions which has come up in JEE Mains. We will do that separately. So this is just to build confidence. In JEE Mains, not all the questions will be tough. 60 marks you can get easily. The next 20 marks will be slightly hard. The next 20 will be even hard. So getting 60 marks is not very tough. You can actually do it. Okay. So that is what I'm trying to do over here. I'm going to show you that JEE Mains questions are not difficult. Every CBSE student, every state board student who has prepared for board exam will be able to understand and grasp this. Okay. So yeah, let's move forward, people. Let's go to the next question, which is over here, right on your screen. Please try to solve it, guys. Come on, everybody. This is based on image of a point on a line. This is based on image of a point on a line. Very good, very good. Very good question. Please try to do it. Superb, superb. How many marks will come from easy questions? Bharani, at least 40 marks. If it is a good day, maybe 60 marks also can be easy. So at least 40 marks per subject will be easy questions. Easy means you can try, you can solve and get it. Because JEE Mains is written by 12-13 lakh people all over the country. So the government knows there are people who just went to school and they are writing the exam. So the level of exam should be even for everybody. So that's why at least 40 marks you will find easy questions. That is my guarantee for you. Okay. Very good. Sudarshan, I'm not sure, man. You can mail them. Mail at vcare@vedantu.com. We will help you. Don't worry. Okay. So people, let's try to solve this question. How many of you are ready? X-intercept is 3. Y-intercept is 1. So the line is going to be x by x-intercept plus y by y-intercept is equal to 1. So the line is x plus 3y is equal to 3. Did you all get that? Laddu. Step by step by step. After one step, we'll go to the next step. That's how you do it. Did you all like it? So I got the line. Now write the diagram. Draw the diagram. I have a point. What is the point? -1, -4. I want to find its reflection about our given line. What is our given line? X plus 3y minus 3 is equal to under. Did you all like it? So shall I solve it now? Are you guys ready? I want to find the reflection, the image of this point on this line, which will be over here. How do we do it? We have a formula. What is the formula? What is the formula? Alpha minus of -1 divided by the line's x coefficient. The line's x coefficient. What is the coefficient of x? 1 is equal to beta minus of -4. Minus of -4 is +4 divided by the line's y coefficient 3. That is equal to, you'll have what? That is equal to what? -2 times, right? Because it's an image. -2 times, you will have a into x1. So 1 into -1, 3 into -4, -3 divided by a square plus b square. 1 square plus 3 square. 1 square plus 3 square is 10. That's it. So I'll get alpha plus 1 by 1 is equal to beta plus 4 by 3 is equal to -2 into, you'll have -16. That's 32. 32 by 10. 16 by 5. So that's it. Get the value of alpha, get the value of beta, you're done. Next level question. Did you all like it? Very good, Mahindra. Mahindra, awesome. You have absolutely nailed it. Very good. Rajashekarane, very good. You are right. Arun, nice to see you here, Arun. Glad to have you guys over here. So people, I hope all of you are able to follow it. Any questions, any doubts, please let me know. Otherwise, we will keep moving forward. Easy one. Sharon, very good, Sharon. This is how you do it. So now let me show you guys the formula, because many people are interested in knowing the formula. Let me showcase that to you. Please listen carefully. Okay. So the formula goes like this. So if you have a line ax plus by plus c equal to 0, if you want the image of x1 comma y1, let's say the image is alpha comma beta. This is the image. This is the line given to us. And this is the point. Then the formula is alpha minus x1 by a is equal to beta minus y1 by b is equal to minus twice of, you'll have ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by a square plus b square. That's the formula. Okay. So if you did not know the formula, please make a note of it. Very good, Sharon. Very good, Sharon. The same formula is similarly applied in planes. Very good, Rishabh. When we talk about 3D planes, no? An extension of this formula can be applied. Good job, Rishabh. That's correct. Okay. Did you all like it? Yes, Siddhant. Siddhant, you are also absolutely right. Yes, Rajgiri. I have taught you this before. Mokshagna, I will do it this week. Don't worry. I will pakka do it this week. We will discuss some questions based on that. Great, great, great. Yes, Stacy Vijaya, you are right. So guys, if in the same formula you want foot of perpendicular, let's say you want foot of perpendicular, then what you do is this 2 you will put it 1. If you want foot of perpendicular, that is this point you want where the perpendicular will meet the line, that you will put, instead of 2, 1 you will put. Instead of this 2, you put 1. That's it. Okay. Instead of this 2, you just put 1. That's it. That's the only difference. Got it? Everybody cool with it? Great guys, great guys. So with that people, let's go to the next one, which is over here, right on your screen. Very good question again. From family of circles. Okay, so this is another brilliant question from family of circles. Rohit, yes Rohit, I am taking a AI live batch for 2023. You can join it. It is starting, I think it started 3 days back. Okay, so Rohit, of course you can join it. We would love to have you. Okay, and for 12th guys, if you liked all the questions which I did until now, there is a live crash course going on for the second attempt. Okay, in case you are interested, you can check it out. The link is below this video. The live crash course in Vedantu started just yesterday. So yeah, you can go and access it and enjoy. Okay, all the concepts what I'm doing here will be covered in the crash course as well, and it is targeted for second attempt, because we also know first attempt is just 4 or 5 days away. In 4 or 5 days we can try our best, but you cannot create a big delta. But 1 month is a good time. In 1 month you can improve a lot. So if you need help, you can utilize the crash course. The link I will leave it in the description, okay, below this video. Awesome. Great. Hazrat Mohammed, no problem man. You come after 5 years, you will understand everything. Okay. So I would love to see you after 5 years. You come. I'll still be here. I'll be teaching you. I'll help you that time. I'll make you understand. Okay. Right now it's too early for you. Okay. So people, let's try to solve this question. So this is based on the concept of family of circles. Okay. This is based on the concept of family of circles. How many of you figured it out? Did you guys figure it out? Because see, whenever there is a circle passing through the intersection of two circles, 100% it is based on family of circles concept. Okay, 100% it is based on family of circles concept. So what I'm going to do here is, I'm going to do family of circles passing through the intersection of these two. So it's going to be x square plus y square minus 6x plus lambda times of x square plus y square minus 4y equal to 0. So I just did s1 plus lambda s2 equal to 0. So this equation represents the family of circles passing through the intersection of the two given circles. Now let's write this in standard form. So 1 plus lambda into x square plus 1 plus lambda into y square. Then you'll have minus 6x. Then you'll have minus 4 lambda y is equal to 0. Is that right? Now let's divide by 1 plus lambda. So if I divide by 1 plus lambda, I will get the equation in standard circle format. Standard circle format, which is very crucial. Okay. So what is the center of the circle? The center of the circle is 3 by 1 plus lambda, comma 2 lambda by 1 plus lambda. Is that all right? Is that all right, my dear boys and girls? Did we get this right? So this is the center of this family of circle, correct? Are you all happy? Now this center lies on this line. Look at the beauty, how I am progressing. Very good. Stacy, absolutely right, Stacy. You are correct. So the center of my circle will lie on this line. So if I put that inside the line, I will get the value of lambda. I will get the value of lambda. Done. So put it here. So 2 into x. So 2 into x means 2 into 3, 6 by 1 plus lambda, minus 3 into y. So 3 into y is 6 lambda by 1 plus lambda, plus 12 is equal to 0. So I'll get 6 minus 6 lambda plus 12 lambda is equal to 0. So that's going to be equal to what? 6 lambda is equal to minus 18. So lambda is equal to minus 3. That's the way you roll. That's the way we do it. Did you love it? Was it good? Yup. Everybody clear? Very good, very good, very good. So with that, people, you are done. You got the lambda value. Now put it back inside the equation. You will get the answer. So you'll have what? X square plus y square minus 6x by 1 plus lambda, which is minus 2. Then you'll have minus 4 lambda y. So 4 lambda will be what? Plus 12y by 1 plus lambda will be minus 2. That is equal to 0. So the equation will be x square plus y square plus 3x minus 6y equal to 0. Now see which one will satisfy. That is your answer. Okay. Now see which of the options will satisfy this circle. That is your answer. Okay. That you guys do it. I'm not going to do it. That's a waste of time. Just check A option, put it here. B option, put it here. C option, put it here. D option, put it here. Whichever satisfies the equality, that is your answer. Got it? Everybody clear? Yes, Mokshagna, that's what you have to do. You have to obviously check the options, Mokshagna. There is no other way. Clear? Great, great, great. Good job, people. Good job. With that, let me go to the next question. Another legendary question. Come on, people. Easy, easy. JEE Mains question, but everybody can solve. If you listened to your CBSE teaching, if you studied for your board exam properly, then this is going to be a piece of cake. Please do it. Everybody. Come on, guys. I want all of you to do it. Maximum right answers I want. Go for it. Very good, very good, very good. Come on, people. Hurry up. Great, great, great. Abdul Alim, I will try to do that. Yes, 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 I know. That would be a very good video. We will try and execute it, okay? Superb, superb. So people, what is the answer for this question? Come on, try it out. Very good. So guys, like I said, this is based on your probability. So do you all remember this? Probability of A union B union C is equal to what? Probability of A plus probability of B plus probability of C minus probability of A intersection B minus probability of A intersection C minus probability of B intersection C plus probability of A intersection B intersection C. Did you all remember that? So now, what is A union B union C? A union B union C is alpha. So alpha is equal to probability of A. A is 0.6, B is what? 0.4, C is what? 0.5 minus A intersection B is what? A intersection B is, guys, this should be A intersection, guys. It's not union, it should be intersection. Okay, I guess that is intersection. Okay, so that will be what? Minus 0.8 minus 0.3 minus B intersection is beta. Beta plus this will be what? 0.2. So if you combine all of them, what will you get? 1, 1.5, 0.7, 0.4, 0.6. So you will get alpha is equal to 0.6 minus beta. But I think A union B, is it? Okay, let's do it with A union B. I'm not sure. I thought it's a typo. Let's do it with A union B then. Okay. So if A union B is given, okay, then we need to find out A intersection B. So what is A union B? A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. So A intersection B will be how much? 0.2. So that will be 0.2. So that will be 0.2. So what will you get? 1.5 minus 0.5. So that will be 1. 1 plus 0.2, 1.2. So 1.2 minus B is your alpha. Now you can get what is your range of values of beta, because alpha lies between 0.85 to 0.95. Okay. Now you can get the answer. It's very simple, guys, not very great. Just do it systematically, you will get the answer. Okay. So alpha is what? Alpha lies between 0.85 to 0.95. Now what is alpha? Alpha is 1.2 minus beta. Okay. Now subtract 1.2 everywhere. You will get 0.35 minus beta minus 0.25. Now multiply by minus. So if I multiply by minus, the inequality will reverse. I'll get this as the answer. Answer is option B. So all those who said B, you guys are right. So the question was correct, guys. I thought they gave everywhere intersection. So maybe I thought this was typo, but yeah, they have given union here. So be careful, okay? Here they have given union. So using union, you have to get A intersection B. Using union formula, you have to get A intersection B and then solve the question. Clear? Okay. Very good, very good. Awesome, guys. That's about it. With that, shall I move forward? Great. Very good, Laddu Singh, Roshan, Stacy, Sai, INF edits. Thank you so much. Yes, Sham, what they gave was right. Okay, perfect. So with that, let's go forward to the next question. Again, brilliant question from matrices and determinants. Very nice question. Everybody try to solve it. Come on, people. Get started. I'll give you 2 minutes. Try it out. Then we'll go forward. Great, great, great. Superb. Venkat, try to revise whatever you have studied and try to maximize your chemistry score, because chemistry is going to be easy and chemistry is going to be very scoring. So that is my suggestions for all of you. Got it? Superb, superb, superb. So people, are you all ready? Shall we discuss this question? If you guys are ready, then let me know. What is the answer? This is a previous year question. Yes, questions like this have been asked. Questions like this have been asked in the previous years. So yeah, try it out. Fantastic, fantastic. Sir, infinite GP. Very good, very good. Unknown warrior. Fantastic, man. You are absolutely correct. Good job. So you have to use the concept of infinite GP. You are right. KLN Murthy, you are right. Still, how many questions? Dinakar, we have plenty of questions. We'll try to do as much as we can. Okay. So yeah, people, everybody listen carefully. See, what is being constantly multiplied? Observe that. You have X, then you have YZ, YZ square, YZ cube. So YZ is constantly multiplied. Is that right? So let's figure out what is YZ. What is YZ? Can you all help me? So YZ is 5465 into 5 minus 4 minus 6, 5. So like this you have to predict. Like this you have to predict. Why did I find out YZ separately? Because everywhere YZ is being multiplied. Everywhere YZ is being multiplied. You see here X into YZ, YZ square, YZ cube. So YZ is being multiplied to every other term. Got it? So when you check it out, what will happen? You will get 25 minus 24, 1, minus 20 plus 20, 0, 30 minus 30, 0, minus 24 plus 25, 1. Awesome, sir. It is identity matrix. So YZ is identity matrix. Are you all clear? Did you all like it? Very good, Deepak. Very good, Bharani. Superb. So it is the identity matrix. Got it? Is that clear, people? So now we can finish it off. Why? Because YZ is identity matrix. This will become what? Trace of X plus trace of X into identity by 2. So it will be X by 2 plus trace of X into identity square by 4. Identity square is identity only. X into identity is X only. So it will be trace of X by 4 and so on. Dot, 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 dot. Now guys, trace of X by 2 is what? The property of trace is trace of X by 2 will be 1 by 2 trace of X. This will be 1 by 4 trace of X and so on. So if I take trace of X common, I'll have 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 all the way up to infinity. So that's an infinite GP. So that will be trace of X into sum of infinite GP is A by 1 minus R. So the answer is twice of trace of X. That's my final answer. What is trace of X? Trace of X is sum of the diagonal elements. So it is going to be 2 into sum of the diagonal elements is 2 plus 1, 3. So answer is 2 into 3, which is 6. So A is the right answer. A is the right answer. Did you all like it? Are you all happy with it, my dear boys and girls? Is this clear to everybody? If anybody has a doubt, please feel free to let me know. And with that, people, let's go forward. Okay? Great, great, great. Very good, Teja. Very good, Mokshagna. Roshant. Superb, man. Brilliant work, brilliant effort, guys. Now, moving on to the next question. Come on, people. Let's finish it off. Very good, Sham. Nice to see you. So try to solve this question. This is again a very nice question, guys. Okay. One of the diameters of the circle given by this equation is a chord of another circle whose center is minus 3, 2. Then the radius of S is how much? The radius of the second circle, how much it is? How to, Mancho, the sum of GP, 1 by 1 minus half, that will become 2. 1 by 1 minus half will become 2. That's how it came, Mancho. Got it? Very good. Bharani, we will check it. Are you sure? Are you sure? Is it 5? I don't think so. Very good. KL and Murthy is right. Mahindra, I don't think so, Mahindra. Jadav, easy problem. Okay. What is the answer? I want you guys to tell me the answer and your method. No, guys, the answer is not 5. The answer is not 5. Okay, check it out. Mokshagna, Stacy, very good. KL and Murthy, Chinnu, you guys are right. Because the answer is 5 root 3. The answer is 5 root 3. Unknown warrior, no, it is not family of circles. Here, it is not family of circles. You can do it by a simple method. Okay, I will show you how to do it. Are you all ready? Very good, very good. Superb, absolutely right. So guys, we have a big circle and we have a diameter. Okay. So let me draw a nice circle. So we have a circle and a diameter. Now this diameter is a chord for the second circle. So this diameter will be what? Center is minus 2, 3. I'm sorry, 2, minus 3. Why? Because minus 4 means center is 2, x coordinate, plus 6 means center is minus 3. Okay. Now this diameter is a chord for a bigger circle. So this is my S. This is a second circle whose center is at minus 3, 2. Okay. So this diameter is a chord for the bigger one. So the perpendicular drop from the center will bisect the chord, and using that information I can figure out the answer. Because if the perpendicular from the center bisects this chord is diameter for the first circle. So bisecting diameter means this will be radius of the first circle. So what is radius of the first circle? It is root of g square plus f square minus of c. So the radius of the first circle is how much? It's going to be 25. Is that right? So it's going to be 5. So the radius of the first circle is going to be 5. So now I want the radius of the second circle, capital R. So capital R square is equal to 5 square plus this distance square. So what is this distance square? It is 2 minus of minus 3. 3 minus 2 square. So it's going to be 25 plus 25 plus 25. It's going to be how much? It's going to be root 75. So that is 5 root 3. Did you all like it? Was it next level? Did I do it step by step? Is the diagram clear? This is how you solve it when you know things conceptually. When you understand things conceptually and when you are having crystal clear clarity, this is the way we do it. Okay? Are you all clear with it? Did you all love it? Joshita, this is just a rough diagram to show you what's happening. Don't worry about scale. Got it? So shall I move forward? Did you all love it? Brilliant, brilliant, brilliant. You guys are awesome. So with that, people, let's go to the next question. Here we go. Please try to solve it. Come on, people. Let's go. Quickly, quickly. I have come fully prepared to solve plenty of good questions. I hope you're all enjoying it. Like I said, people, you still have time for the second attempt. You can improve. You can get better. Follow our lectures. Watch our previous year's lectures in YouTube. And if you need help from Vedantu, we even have a crash course going on. The live crash course taught by the best teachers in English is going on right now. In case you are interested, check it out. The link is given below. Okay. So yeah, let's try to solve it. 100th like is by me. Thank you so much, Sujai. Hemant, welcome man. Nice to see you and thank you for your kind words. So people, how do we solve this question? Let's try to have a look at it. Okay. Let's try to have a look at it. Everybody, watch what's going to happen. First of all, you need to be really good at diagrams. I mean graphs. Okay. So you should be very good at graphs, because if your graph plotting skills are bad, then you can't even touch this question. Although it's an easy question. So many of you are asking, right? Sir, we want areas help, sir. Please teach us how to solve areas questions. So if you want to be good at areas questions, your graph plotting skills has to be amazing. It has to be next level. Okay. So first, mod of x plus 1. See, mod of x plus 1 will become minimum at x equal to minus 1. So the base of it will be at minus 1. So the graph will be like this. V-shaped graph. Did you all like it? So this is the graph of mod of x plus 1. Okay. Mod of x plus 1. Now, next graph is 2 power x. That's a very easy graph. Okay. That's a very easy graph. So 2 power x graph, how does it look like? Any idea? So at 0, it will be 1. At 1, it will be 2. Correct? So at 1, it will be 2. So the graph will look like this. This is how the graph will look like. So in the first quadrant, this is the area where they meet. They meet between 0 and 1. They meet between 0 and 1. So at 0, they intersect. At 1, they intersect. So the area is going to be integral 0 to 1. What is the above function? The above function is y is equal to x plus 1. Because this branch is y is equal to minus x minus 1. So the above function is red color. That's the modulus line, which is y equal to x plus 1. So the above function minus below function dx. So this is my answer. So I can integrate it. What is the integral of x? X square by 2. Integral of 1, x. And then 2 power x is nothing but 2 power x by ln 2. From 0 to 1. So put 1, you will get 1 by 2 plus 1 minus 2 power 1 by ln 2. And put 0, you will get 0, 0. And you will get plus 2 power 0 is 1 by ln 2. So that is my answer. 3 by 2 minus ln 2. This is option D. Is that right? Option D is right. Did you all like it? Very good, Roshant. This is the way we do it. I hope all of you enjoyed it. Did you guys love it? Great, great, great. If there is any doubt, let me know. Otherwise, we will keep moving forward. Any doubts, any questions, my dear boys and girls? Rahul, please pull the video back, Rahul. That is the advantage of YouTube. Okay, you can just pull the video back and re-watch it. You will be able to get the hang of it. Got it? Thank you, Akshaya. So with that, people, we'll move on to the next question. The next question is numerical based. Are you all ready? Great, great. Because in JEE Mains, we have numerical questions. And this year, you have negative marking also. Do you all remember that? This year, numerical has negative marks. Don't forget that. So don't just guess it, okay? Be careful. Exactly. So try to be ready for numericals also. Everybody, come on guys. Let's try to finish it off. Yes, Rajesh, I'll give you some time to solve, okay? So I'll give you the diagram for this question. The diagram for this question will be like this. Okay, the diagram for this question will be like this. Now you guys can try it out. Everybody go for it. Come on guys, quick, 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 fast. Let's be fast. Yes, yes, Mokshagna, for sure. I hope to hear some great performances from you guys. So yeah, go for it. Okay, okay, KL and Murthy, is that so? Then practice more of that, man. Because in chemistry or thermodynamics and kinetics, you have a lot of log coming in. You have to practice those values. So practice more questions, you will get better. Don't worry. And choose questions wisely. See, you have 10 questions out of which you have to answer 5. So choose wisely, whichever is easy to calculate, whichever chapter you are very good at. Got it? So that way you can plan it and be smart about it. Very good, very good. Brilliant. Barney, that's awesome, man. Good, good, good. Superb. So people, shall I solve this question? Because it should not take this much time. So let me show you how it is done. So what is the perimeter? The perimeter is 20. So the perimeter is nothing but r plus r theta. So it is r plus r theta. So 20 is equal to 2r plus r theta. So theta is equal to what? 20 minus 2r by r. Now what is area? Area is equal to, you all are aware, it is half r square theta. So it's going to be half r square. Theta is how much? Theta is 20 minus 2r divided by r. Great. So that's going to be how much? R and r will get cancelled. So I'll have 10r minus r square. So that is your area in terms of radius. Your area in terms of radius. Now differentiate it, equate it to 0, because maxima means critical points. Critical points means first derivative is equal to 0. So first derivative will be what? 10 minus 2r. So if 10 minus 2r is 0, then r is equal to 5. So if r is equal to 5, you can get the area. Okay. Everybody cool? Did you guys like it? Everybody? So answer is 25. Answer is 25. So those who said 25, you guys are correct. Very good, scientific blasters. Scientific blaster is right. Very well done. So what is dA by dr? dA by dr, I will equate it to 0. Why? Critical points. Why? Maxima. Okay. So dA by dr is 10 minus 2r is equal to 0. So r is equal to 5. So if r is equal to 5, we want area. So area is equal to 10r minus r square. So 10 into 5 minus 5 square. So 50 minus 25 is 25. So that is why 25 is the answer. I hope you guys liked it. With that, people, let's go to the next one. So this is area formula. Guys, yes, this is area of sector. This is area of sector formula. Barney, it is area of sector formula. Okay, how do we get it? So Barney, see, for 2 pi radians, the area is pi r square. So for theta radians, what is the area? So direct variation, theta by 2 pi into pi r square. So what will that be? R square theta by 2. So did you get it, Barney, now? I gave you the derivation as well. Very simple. So 2 pi radians means full circle, which is pi r square. So theta radians means how much is the area? Direct variation. Okay, cool. So with that, people, let's go to the next question, which is right on your screen over here. Please go for it. Vector triple product. Very easy question. Very easy question based on vector triple product. Come on, guys. Everybody try to solve it. You guys can do it. You guys can crack it. All of you go for it. Yes, exactly, Roshant, you are right. So guys, what is A cross B cross C? A cross B cross C is 1, 3, 2 minus 1, 2, 3. That is equal to b by root 2 plus c by root 2. Now compare. So this is c, this is c. So this quantity should be equal to 1 by root 2. So minus a dot b is equal to plus 1 by root 2. Got it? So now a dot b is what? A dot b is mod a mod b cos theta is equal to 1 by root 2. So I'll get what? Mod a mod b is 1 because they're all unit vectors. So this is 1, this is 1. So cos theta is equal to what? Cos theta is equal to minus 1 by root 2. So theta is equal to 3 pi by 4. That's your answer, which is 135. Okay, 3 pi by 4, which is 135. So 135 degree is the answer. Okay, that they'll specify in the question. They'll specify in the question whether they want in degree or radians. They will mention. Don't worry. Okay, great. So with that, people, let's go to the next question. Come on, guys. Mean and variance. I hope you're all able to remember this. So what is variance and what is mean? See, there are totally 7 observations. They have given you 5 over here. So 2 plus 4 plus 10 plus 12 plus 14. The next 2 observations we'll take it as A and B. Because 7, right? We have 5. So next 2 observations are A and B. That's equal to 8. Because mean is equal to 8. Mean is 8. Variance is 16. So from here I'll get A plus B is how much? 56. This is how much? 16. 16 plus 16, 32. So A plus B is 16 plus 26, I'm sorry. So that's 42. 42, 56 minus 42 is 14. So A plus B will be 14. Is that right? Everybody clear? Everybody clear? Because 7 into 8 is what? 7 into 8 is 56. Then subtract all of this here. So 56 minus 42 will be 14. That's what I got. Now what is variance? Variance is equal to the square of everything. Divided by total number of terms minus mean square. Okay. So I'll get what? 16 plus 64 is equal to 420, 120, 120 plus 144, 264. 264 plus 196. How much is that? 264 plus 196 is how much? 360, yeah? 460, I guess. 460. 460 by 7. Is that right? 460 by 7 plus A square plus B square. Okay. So this will be 80. So this will be 80. And 80 into 7 is what? 80 into 7 is 560. So 80 into 7 is 560. So A square plus B square is what? A square plus B square equal to 100. So A square plus B square is 100. A plus B is 14. So you can solve it. You will get A is equal to 8. B is equal to 6 or whatever. Vice versa. You will get 8 and 6 or the other way. Okay. So A and B are 8 and 6. So AB is how much? The product is 48. AB product is 48. So 48 is the answer. If you said 48, you are absolutely right. Okay. Did you guys love it? Are you all happy with it? Very good. Thank you so much, people. I hope you all had a great time. With that, we will conclude our session. So make sure you solve the quiz I have for you all. There is a quiz given below in the description box. You can solve it. And like I said, if this one session was useful to you, then imagine having this on a regular basis. So we have a live crash course going on in Vedantu. If you feel Vedantu's teachers can help you for the second attempt, of course, first attempt it's already too late. We have only 4-5 days. But for second attempt, you can make a huge difference in your performance. So if you feel you need help, please utilize the crash course. This is live crash course, live. Live means real time. Okay. And for next 1.5 months, it is 8,100. What do you have inside it? You have classes, 23 sessions per subject, test series, assignments, and doubt solving. Test series, assignments, and doubt solving. Okay. All put together, you will have it in this crash course. So yeah, hurry up and get it as soon as possible so that you can give a good performance in your second attempt. The best part is many people ask, sir, 11th standard portion I'm not good at. So that is also going to be covered in this crash course because the fundamentals will be done in the first week of the crash course. Okay, the fundamentals will be covered in the first week. This is a timetable. So Monday to Saturday, every day from 3 o'clock to 8:30. From 3 o'clock to 8:30, you will have sessions. Okay. So that is the whole schedule. It started 3 days back. So it is not too late. You can join it immediately. I will show you how to access it. The quiz, the Telegram group, everything. So what you guys need to do is go to Enlite. Go to our channel. Click on the video that you are currently watching. Okay. And come below the video. Scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. So this is the mock test that we have. In case you want, you can go and try it out. And this is the crash course link. Live crash course. You can click on it and you can join it. If you click on it, you will be taken to that page and you will see the complete course overview. You can join it by clicking on buy course. As simple as that. Okay, this will be useful for BitSat. This will be useful for VIT as well. So yeah, try to make use of it. Thank you, Hemant. Thank you, guys. KL and Murthy, I would have taken almost like 20 questions, I guess. Around 15 to 20. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, I would have taken around 15 to 20. I did not take exactly 25. But yeah, I hope you are able to get the hang of the questions and you're able to follow the concepts which I have discussed. We will do this often, don't worry. I will bring one more mock test soon, maybe day after tomorrow, and we'll meet in that as well. Clear? Okay guys, take care. All the best. That's about it. Join our Telegram group. I will share all the questions over here. Okay? And finally, if you guys enjoyed and if you love our channel, recommend it to your friends, your juniors, and we will take care of them. Okay? Thank you so much, people. Love you all. See you in the next one. Till then, keep working hard, keep doing well. All the very best. Take care. Bye-bye.